Remove the door card on the BMW 5 Series. Start by popping this cover off here, and behind the trim there's a T30 Torx to remove. Now at the front of the door, remove this little cover here and remove the screw. Now what's left holding the door card in position are some very strong clips. I started at this side and just got a couple released. The strongest clip is located about here. The connectors on the airbags tend to break quite easily, very hard to remove. So an option may be to remove the airbag, which is just 4 T25 Torx. If you've removed the airbag from the door card, it may be a bit easier to remove, but I'll show you the clip actually functioning properly. But they don't always come off very easily, and they do tend to break very easily, so just be careful with them. Remove both bolts and pull the clip. You'll be able to push the mounts back and release the window.